In this lecture, we're going to show how we can define different layers. So let's go here to the search comment. Let's type here layers. So let's go here with the layer properties. Let's put this icon here, like this. Let's go with the layers again here. Let's go here with change layer. Let's put this one here. Now let's choose here layer properties. Let's go here and let's create a new one. Let's call this dimensions, like this. So here we have an option, do we want to hide or show? And here we have an option, do we want to print it or not? Here we can change the color. So let's go with blue one. Let's click OK. Here we can change the style. So let's go with this one. And here we can change the thickness. Let's leave it as it is. Now let's add a new layer here. Let's call it text. Now let's go with a different color. Let's go with red. Let's click OK. Let's change the thickness to 0.25 like this, and let's click OK. And now we click here change layer. Here we have our dimensions and text layer. Now let's go here to our drawing view. Let's select those two views like this. Now let's unselect front view, the text here, and top view, this text. Now let's go to change layer and let's choose dimensions. Let's click OK. And now we can see that our dimensions are blue. We can click, for example, on this dimension. We can go to other here, tab, and here we can see that we have a layer dimensions. We can change this, for example, this one to text. Like this, let's click OK, and now it's red. Now let's click on the front view. Let's choose top view and isometric view. Let's go to change layer. Let's choose text. Let's click OK. And now we can see the text is red. And now, for example, if we want to print this, we can go here and we can go with print preview like this. And now here we can see our dimensions and text. Let's exit. Now let's go to layer properties again. Here we can check printing. So for example, we don't want to print our dimensions, and we can check here will not print, and let's click OK. And now if we go here to print preview, now here we don't have dimensions except 50 because 50 is text layer, it's not dimensions layer. Now let's go with escape. Now let's go to layer properties again. Now for example, we want to hide our text. We can go here and we can hide it, and OK. And now we don't see our text. Now let's go to layer properties and let's click here visible our text and let's click OK. And now here we can see our text. Now let's click on this 50. Let's go to other and now let's change this to dimensions like this. Let's click OK. Let's go to smart dimensions. Let's create a new dimension here. For example, this one. So this is 100 millimeters. Let's click it here. Let's go to other. Now we can see this is layer text, but we want this to be layer dimensions. And now let's click OK. And now it's blue. So this is how you can define and how you can modify different layers.